Now that you know and can identify the names of the keys on the piano, let's go back to tones and semitones. Simply put, a tone means skip a key or skip a note, and a semitone simply means don't skip a key or note. So from this key A to key B is a tone. Why? Because we skipped a note by leaving one key. From this key C to key D is also a tone because we skipped a note. Don't forget that I use notes or keys. I'm still referring to the sound. So from this key D to key E is also a tone because I left a key. But from key A to this key, A sharp is a semitone because I did not skip any note. From this key C to key D flat is a semitone because I did not leave any key. From this G to F is a tone because I skipped a note. And from G to F sharp is a semitone because I did not leave any note. Now let's test your understanding of the tones and semitones.